Welcome to Mytharchy Architecture Design Ideas channel. Step inside this breathtaking modern Vietnamese farmhouse-inspired home, where tradition meets contemporary elegance in a seamless blend of natural materials and modern design. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by its minimalist concrete structure, softened by the warmth of natural wood, lush greenery, and traditional Vietnamese architectural elements. A sanctuary at the heart of the home. As you step through the entrance, the central courtyard immediately draws you in, a beautifully designed outdoor sanctuary that embodies the essence of Vietnamese living. Paved with handcrafted terracotta tiles, this space is framed by native plants, climbing vines, and bamboo trellises, creating a peaceful retreat where daily life unfolds in harmony with nature. Traditional wooden shutters line the walls, allowing for an ever-changing interplay of light and shadow. Here, mornings begin with the aroma of fresh tea. Enjoy under the shade of a thatched pergola, while afternoons bring the sound of gentle breezes rustling through the leaves. In the evenings, the courtyard becomes a communal space where family and friends gather, sharing meals, stories, and laughter under the warm glow of hanging lanterns. Living in harmony with tradition and modernity. Stepping inside, the living area is a masterpiece of texture, contrast, and cultural storytelling. The walls, made of exposed concrete, are softened by hand-woven rattan panels and warm wooden beams, creating a sense of both stability and warmth. The furniture is a curated collection of low wooden tables, intricately carved chairs, and lacquered cabinets, each piece reflecting the skill and craftsmanship of Vietnamese artisans. Handmade ceramics and traditional lacquerware adorn the space, adding layers of history and artistry to the modern, minimalist aesthetic. Natural ventilation flows through the home effortlessly, aided by deep heats and strategically placed openings that allow the breeze to circulate, keeping the space cool and comfortable year-round. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame picturesque garden views, further enhancing the connection between the home's interior and the lush surroundings. Woven bamboo pendant lights hang from the ceiling, casting a soft, inviting glow, while earth-tone cushions and woven floor mats create cozy nooks for relaxation. A kitchen that honors the past and embraces the future. Moving into the kitchen and dining space, the design philosophy remains the same, a perfect balance of tradition and modern convenience. The kitchen features a sleek concrete island, its smooth, cool surface contrasting beautifully with the warmth of reclaimed wood cabinetry. Stone countertops, open shelving, and woven storage baskets maintain an organic, rustic feel, while a brick wood-fired stove pays homage to traditional Vietnamese cooking methods. The scent of fresh herbs from the indoor garden mingles with the aroma of simmering broths and sizzling stir-fries, creating a sensory experience that is both nostalgic and comforting. The dining area is a space designed for connection, centered around a solid wood dining table, handcrafted from locally sourced timber. Above, woven pendant lamps cast intricate patterns of light and shadow, while ceramic dishware, bamboo chopsticks, and a steaming pot of fresh tea complete the setting. This is a place where families come together, meals are shared, and traditions are passed down through generations. Private retreats surrounded by nature. The bedrooms in this home are designed to be tranquil, restful retreats, each one a harmonious blend of natural materials, soft textures, and minimalist aesthetics. Built-in wooden platform beds, dressed in soft linen bedding, invite peaceful nights of rest, while woven mats and delicate mosquito nets add a touch of rustic charm. Bamboo partitions and sliding wooden doors create a sense of openness while ensuring privacy. Every bedroom offers direct access to a private terrace where residents can step outside to enjoy the early morning mist, the sound of birdsong, and the sight of dewdrops glistening on leaves. Some rooms feature small reading nooks with built-in bookshelves and floor cushions, offering a quiet space to unwind with a good book or simply gaze out at the garden. spa-like bathrooms inspired by nature. The bathrooms in this home are designed as spa-like sanctuaries, where the experience of bathing becomes a ritual of relaxation and rejuvenation. Polished concrete sinks, freestanding stone bathtubs, and rainfall showers surrounded by indoor greenery transform daily routines into moments of luxury. Some bathrooms feature open-air enclosures, allowing for an immersive bathing experience under the sky, surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature. Soft candle light, aromatic essential oils, and the gentle sound of trickling water enhance the ambience, making each bath a deeply calming experience. A home that gives back to the environment. Beyond its stunning aesthetics and cultural authenticity, this home is designed with sustainability in mind. Solar panels harness the power of the sun, providing renewable energy, while rainwater harvesting systems ensure a responsible use of natural resources. The home's passive cooling techniques, cross-ventilation design, and the use of locally sourced materials minimize its environmental footprint while maximizing comfort. Surrounding the home, the landscape is a self-sufficient paradise. A fruit orchard, bursting with mango, jackfruit, banana, and pomelo trees, provides fresh produce year-round. A vegetable and herb garden thrives with lemongrass, coriander, basil, and morning glory, ensuring a steady supply of ingredients for home-cooked meals. At the center of the garden lies a serene lotus pond, a sacred and symbolic feature in Vietnamese culture, representing purity, peace, and enlightenment. A thatched pavilion sits beside the pond, offering a perfect spot to reflect, meditate, or simply soak in the beauty of the countryside. A home that invites you to live differently. This modern Vietnamese farmhouse-inspired home is more than just a house, it is a philosophy of living, an embrace of simplicity, sustainability, and cultural heritage. It is a space where nature and architecture merge effortlessly, where tradition and modernity dance in perfect harmony, and where every corner tells a story of craftsmanship, mindfulness, and intentionality. Whether you dream of a peaceful retreat, a sustainable homestead, or a modern home that respects the beauty of the past, this space offers an unparalleled way of living. Imagine waking up each morning to the scent of blooming flowers, the sound of birds singing, and the warmth of the sun filtering through bamboo screens. Imagine spending your days surrounded by nature, culture, and timeless beauty. This isn't just a home, it's an invitation to live differently. Wouldn't you love to call this place home? Let me know in the comments, and if you love the idea of serene escapes like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, may you find beauty in the simplicity of life.